Hello to my English learners at home today on Wednesday, September 23rd. I hope you're having a good day. Today we are going to be going over our daily workbook page together, and then you will submit it. And then you have a chance to get caught up on your spelling assignments or other assignments that you may have for school, because the only other thing you need to do in my class is to read for 10 minutes and complete a reading log for today. So let's go ahead and get started. And the first sentence that I'm going to read here, which we have to correct, I think there for sure might be some new words. So we'll want to look these up. Here we go. The sentence says, there will be a lunar eclipse on Thursday night. So I think this is for sure a new word. You should look up an image of that so you can understand what it is. This has to do with the sun, the positioning of the sun and the moon and the earth, and when they're all in a line and suddenly it becomes dark outside, even though it's in the middle of the day, that is a lunar eclipse. So sometimes we have these, and in this sentence there's going to be one on Thursday night. I'm going to have to underline that letter. And this one. Also in this sentence, this word has a problem. There are 3 ways to spell the word there. And they are there, and there, which is a contraction for they are. So here in this sentence, there will be a lunar eclipse on Thursday night. We need the first spelling, because this spelling you see here, that is the word being used as a pronoun, like, hey, I see their car. But here we're not using it as a pronoun, we're just starting our sentence with it. So it's going to be there, spelled like that, will be our new word, where the sun and the moon and the earth are in one line, called a lunar eclipse, on, and then Thursday's a day of the week, so we have to capitalize. Thursday night. So there will be a lunar eclipse on Thursday night. I want to draw this for you. The sun, the earth, let's see what happens here, and maybe the moon. What happens here? I think the moon gets between the sun and the earth, and then it gets dark on our planet for a little bit. It's called a lunar eclipse. Okay, next sentence. I left my glove at the ball field last Saturday. Pretty good sentence. We always have to capitalize the pronoun I. I left my glove. I hope you know that word, but you might not. Glove means when you play baseball, the thing you put on your hand to catch the ball. You can look up a baseball glove and you'll see a nice picture. I left my glove at the ball field last Saturday. All right, Saturday, just like Thursday in the first sentence, capitalized days of the week. Circle the word that is not spelled correctly. Chief, again, half, or product. Or is the word chef? I don't know because it's not spelled correctly. Correct spelling of that is with 1 E. And now, Maria drew a picture of this the other day. This is a person who sometimes wears a big hat and cooks in a kitchen. That is a chef. Usually the hat is white. Okay, down here we're going to circle the correct answer. Mom said I couldn't go. Couldn't go, couldn't go, couldn't go. They all sound good. That one's wrong because there's no reason to capitalize the C. This one is wrong because we need an apostrophe in there. This one is wrong because the apostrophe is in the wrong spot. This one is correct because what this really means with the apostrophe right there is could not. We have a lot of these in English where they put two words together with an apostrophe. Okay, that's kind of tricky. We'll talk about that a lot this year. The teacher moved all of the students' desks. Okay, desk is plural, so that means there must be more than one, and all means more than one. So that's why all these end with an S. So we have students, but that's in the wrong spot. Students doesn't have any apostrophe, so that's wrong. Students like that means one student. And student with the apostrophe here, that's the correct answer. It means all the students' desks. It is plural. It's called a plural possessive noun. And we are going to learn about that still this year a lot. So if there's more than one person, students' desk, then that's how you do it. All right, some tricky things coming up here in numbers 4 and 5 that we will be addressing more this year. So I hope that was helpful to you, and I wish you a good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow. Goodbye.